Are you wondering what is the capacity of the battery on the Duotts C29 and if it's actually any good and how heavy it is and how to even take it on and off? First, to install or remove the battery on your e-bike, as you see, you actually have this keyhole over here, and inside the box you actually get two keys. So all we really do is we first have to actually unlock the battery, so simply like turn it so it's unlocked, and then simply we need to pull out the battery, so literally pull it upwards and remove it like this. By the way, if you're wondering where is actually the controller located on this e-bike, then actually it's in this small tiny box. So this actually is the newest version of the Duotts C29. The older versions actually had kind of huge box over here basically, but on these newer versions essentially they have integrated everything here in this, like basically the case where the battery also slides on. And to install your battery back, again, it's very easy. So simply put your battery like this, so push it all the way up, and then simply slide it basically in these rails and lock it in place, and it's secure. Also on this battery, if I press this button over here, you see it also shows my current charge of it. And let's check out the weight of the battery. As you see, it's a bit over 3.5 kilos. And when it comes to the capacity, we actually get 720 watt hours on this battery, and this actually is a 48 volt battery, so it's actually very powerful, and it can output actually really decent current essentially. And the capacity basically of the cells is 15 amp hours. And if you're wondering how far can you actually drive on single full battery charge, so when it comes to the driving with pedal assistant, so I guess maximum you could get from this battery is around 100 kilometers. So actually on this e-bike I even upgraded my tires to something that actually has got slightly better rolling resistance. By the way, I can highly suggest these Continental Race King tires here, very good. So basically by changing the tires, I think I managed to get like extra 10 to 15% range basically from the tires alone, because the tires that actually came with the bike weren't basically like good rolling resistance tires, and they were kind of sluggish. So I highly suggest you do the same. And a pair of these Continental Race Kings cost me a bit less than 30 euros, so definitely that was the best upgrade I actually did to this bike. So with these new tires, basically with a pedal assistant, I think I could reach maybe like 120 kilometers. So if I do not maybe ride at very high speed and still quite pedal a lot myself. So, but when it comes to basically using this bike purely only with throttle, then this bike, again, if you actually do not take care of the bike, so, and you have a lot of hills, basically use like brake a lot, so basically, so also like drive at very high speeds. So from my experience, again, if I do not take care of the bike at all, basically I can reach like 40 kilometers basically, so in the worst case. So that is the lowest I have gotten basically when I still drive a lot of hills basically. Yeah, and yeah, basically I'm not gentle with the bike. But again, if you are more gentle or also like drive at slower speeds, you can get like 50 to 60 kilometer range on pure throttle mode. So again, if you actually upgrade your tires, again, I suspect like extra 10 to 15% in this range you can achieve extra just from the tire upgrade. So I highly suggest you to do that. And overall, if you're looking for e-bike that actually has got really decent battery quality and also very good range, this is pretty much impossible to beat. Also, if you are looking to get this bike, I have extra 50 euro coupon that you can use on the official Duotts website to get essentially 50 euros extra off. So simply enter UVTech in the checkout to get this. Also, at the moment, I think they even have extra special promo. If you order through the special link in the description, you will also receive a bunch of free accessories with this bike, which is absolutely awesome. By the way, full disclaimer, I actually purchased this bike myself a couple of months ago with my own money, and Duotts simply saw my other videos about it and simply sent me this coupon that you can use. When you consider how much this bike costs, it destroys pretty much everything else in the market. Not only you get very powerful motor on this bike, in my experience it eats pretty much any hill that you throw at it. Also the battery capacity is absolutely insane on this bike, so it lasts for absolute ages. You also get very decent quality alloy frame on this bike. Also decent forks with integrated lights all around, and the controls also are actually very decent on this bike. and best of all, it's also probably one of the most comfortable bikes I have ever had. And again, if you want to get it much cheaper, simply follow the special link in the description. Also enter the coupon code UVTech to get €50 off extra. Anyway, good luck.